Happy New Year para sa lahat and especially to all of the Choco Mucho volleyball fans because the Flying Titans got some extra growls with these new additions. You know what time it is? Hands in. My UST heart is so happy. Wala lang, sana makatagos sila ngayon because Cici Rondina, Ea Laure, Caitlin Veray, Alina Bicar ay magkakaroon ng mini UST reunion sa Choco Mucho. That's so cool! Alina came from Cherry Tigo and unfortunately they've just disbanded. Si Veray naman ay galing sa Farm Fresh Foxies who's had a really solid season in the opening rounds. Medyo hindi lang naging maganda yung kanilang quarterfinal run. At si Ea naman, parang ang tagal ko palang hindi nakita si Ea Laure na maglaro, no? Kasi nagtatrabaho na ako sa loob ng PVL for like 2 or 3 times now. Pero ang tagal ko nga hindi nakita si Ea. Ano ba? Saan ba galing si Ea? Research ko nga. Wala, hindi ko ma-research. Pero lagay nyo na lang sa comment section kung ano yung na-miss out ko. Pero I'm so happy that the 4 of them are gonna be playing together again. So wala nang like super kapaan. Siguro mangangapa na lang sila dun sa playstyle ni coach. Pero sa galaw ng isa't isa hindi na masyado. Kaya pala ang dami nilang pinakawalan. Pinakawalan nila si Tobino, si General, si Cherry Nunag, tsaka si Aduke Ogunsanya to make space for at least 4 more players. Andyan din pala si Tienza guys who played for UP before. Siguro na-overwhelm lang ako ng slight kasi nga mga Tomasians magkakasama na sila ulit. They're gonna try to make something happen dahil dun sa recent performances ng Choco Mucho. Medyo hindi talaga siya maganda kasi 10th sila nung PVL on tour, 9th naman sila nung PVL reinforced. So hopefully with extra power, lalo na't kasama si Ea sa lineup, we'll see more improvements from the Flying Titans.